Water, 1 gram of water happens to equal 1 milliliter of water. So if it says that we need 30 grams of water, how many milliliters of water are we going to be using? Thank you, Kaylee. 30 milliliters. And again, this only works with water. You'll have to take my word for it right now. We'll try it out tomorrow and see if that's true. If we measure 1 milliliter of water, does it actually equal 1 gram of water? So just take my word for it, because we don't have a lot of time. Now, who can read the procedures for today's lab? Eli? Oh, it looks like are you raising your hand? Fine. Raymond, please read the lab for me.
Okay.
I'm going to demonstrate while you read it. Okay? Demonstrate while he reads it.
I just wrote mine, so.
Well, you just volunteered. We're running out of time here.
Okay.
Go for it.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Get material.
Got my materials.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Set it up.
Okay?
3. Warning for instructions. And 4. Diggers and utensils to the lab.
Okay, what do we need next, Skylar? 30 milliliters of water. So, 30 milliliters of water. Measure up to the bottom of the syringe, right? 30 milliliters of water into the bottle. 30 milliliters of water into the second bottle. Done. Next. Kaylee. Start putting the salt in. You put 1 scoop of salt of magnesium sulfate, 1 scoop of sodium chloride. Then what? Shake it. We need to make sure you put the cap on.
And then you shake it.
And then we'll shake it so it dissolves. What's our next step? Repeat them. Repeat. Put salt in, put cap on, shake it. Put salt in, shake it. Keep doing this until when? Jacob.
Until it doesn't dissolve anymore.
Until the salt stops dissolving. When you start seeing sediment on the bottom, that would be the salt. When salt starts piling up at the bottom, it's not dissolving anymore, so you can stop. If you're not sure, like you hold it up and you're thinking, well, I can see a particle here and here, but I'm not sure if it's still dissolving, err on the side of caution. Add more salt. Make it obvious that there's a layer of salt on the bottom, okay? If you have to call me over because you're not sure, just add another scoop of salt. Start dissolving it. Trenton.
Are there cough drops?
We'll talk about that later. So everybody clear on the steps?
Yes.
The funnel is helpful for guiding the salt into the bottle without making a big salty mess. Try out funnel, okay? We're still working in groups of 4, so 2 of you can work with the table salt, 2 of you can work with the Epsom salt. Any questions on the procedures? All right, here's one thing that I learned throughout the day. Besides that the lab takes a long time. It will be helpful if instead of adding 1 scoop at a time, we add 3 scoops at a time. Okay?
How do you do that?
How do you do that?
3 scoops.
Yep. 1 scoop, 2 scoops,
Well, you said
3 scoops.
3 scoops at a time. That means at the same time.
No. Okay, do 3 scoops at a time because that will help us speed up the process. Even though that's helping us speed up, it's still going to take up a lot of time. Okay? So 3 scoops at a time. Questions? Same partners you had the day before. Go for it. I'll find out.
Who are our partners?
I'm going to find out.
Who are our partners?
Same partners as yesterday.
We need our